Catherine Drum, Director of Strategic Initiatives for Student Success, and I'm here to give you a brief introduction to some of the advising and academic technology tools you will use with your academic advisor and on your own as you plan for and complete your academic programs. Detailed how-to guides for these tools are available on the academicadvising.vcu.edu/tutorials website. You'll access these tools and many more through the my.vcu.edu portal. You'll log into the portal using your EID and VCU password. And don't forget that you can also always access the My VCU portal through your VCU mobile app. In order to graduate on time, you've got to make a plan. Your curriculum will be made up of general education classes, major courses, and electives. VCU offers you several tools that will help you first identify the majors at VCU that align with your career and professional goals, and then will help you graduate on time by helping you to create a step-by-step, course-by-course roadmap to your success. In addition to major maps, the VCU Bulletin details every program of study offered here at VCU. If you want to know exactly what courses are required to graduate, particular policies for your school or major, or view a course-by-course sample graduation plan, this is where you should start. DegreeWorks will keep you on track to graduation by providing you with a checklist of all of the courses required for your program of study. You can see how your transfer, AP, IB, dual enrollment, and registered VCU credits apply towards your degree. Considering changing your major? Use the what if function of DegreeWorks to take a sneak peek at how the credits you've already earned would apply towards your new major and what new classes you need to complete if you change your major. The Student Educational Planner in DegreeWorks helps you to create a semester-by-semester personalized graduation plan based upon your previous academic credits, academic goals, and graduation timeline. Impress your advisor by using one of the sample templates provided to build a first draft of your graduation plan and bring it to your first advising appointment. DegreeWorks and the Schedule Planner help you to determine what courses you should take each semester all the way to graduation. College Scheduler will help you to find your ideal class schedule by taking into consideration any social, work, or family commitments you might have. You tell College Scheduler when you cannot take classes, and then provide it with a list of courses you want to take, and it will generate all of the possible schedules, allowing you to pick the very best one that meets your needs. It will even send your proposed schedule to EServices so that it will be waiting for you at your registration time. Get ready to spend a lot of time in EServices, which is where you will register for classes, view and pay your student bill, accept your financial aid offer, obtain official and unofficial transcripts, and apply for graduation. It also houses DegreeWorks and the College Scheduler. You can access EServices through your my.vcu.edu portal. Detailed videos and guides on how to use EServices and all of the tools mentioned before are available on the academicadvising.vcu.edu/tutorials page. You'll find guides there on how to use EServices to view your math or chem placement scores, view the schedule of classes, find course restrictions and prerequisites that may prohibit you from registering for classes, find courses taught online or with a service learning component, and how to purchase textbooks to the next semester. This website is constantly being updated with new tutorials, so please bookmark it and visit it when necessary. The academic calendar lists all of the important dates of the semester, including when classes start and end, the final exam schedule, and when you are able to register for courses. As long as you do not have a hold on your account, you are able to make changes to your schedule through the end of add drop. If you drop a class, the class will not show on your transcript. After add drop ends, you may withdraw from classes up until the last day to withdraw. However, you will see a grade of W on your transcript for each class you withdraw from. It is highly recommended that you meet with your academic advisor and/or financial counselor before withdrawing from a class, as there are academic and financial costs you must consider. And many times, with a little hard work and help from the Campus Learning Center, students can successfully pass courses they considered withdrawing from. This hard work ultimately saves you time and money. Moving forward, You'll register for your next semester's classes during advanced registration, according to how many credits you have earned. Make sure you check the Records and Registration website each semester so that you register on time and get access to your preferred courses. As we approach the start of the semester, you should begin checking Blackboard or Canvas to see if your instructor has posted their course syllabus. Blackboard and Canvas are the systems students will use to access the online components of their classes. Most classes will have a course Blackboard or Canvas site, even if they are taught in person. The syllabus is the professor's plan for the course, including course expectations, required readings, and assignment due dates. It's always helpful to review your course syllabi prior to the start of the semester so that you'll know exactly what information each class will be covering and when your projects, exams, and papers will be due. This is just a brief introduction to some of the advising and academic technologies you'll be using as you complete your degrees. Please don't forget to visit academicadvising.vcu.edu/tutorials for help when you get stuck. It's always available to help you figure out what to do. And don't hesitate to contact your advisor using Navigate if you have any questions. And finally, you can always email advising@vcu.edu for help. Thanks, and I hope you have a great day.